Find the limit when x approaches 0.
At first glance, this limit looks like a nightmare. You've got a quadratic, an exponential, and a squared trig function all fighting for dominance as x hits 0.
Both the numerator and the denominator approach 0 as x tends to 0, differentiating the top and bottom until the limit is no longer indeterminate. Differentiate the numerator and the denominator. Thus, the original limit becomes. Plugging x equals 0 still yields 0 over 0, so we need to apply L'Hopital's rule again. Take derivatives one more time. Now evaluate the new fraction at x equals 0. And the final answer is 1 over 9.